Hello everyone, welcome to our session on mastering brainstorming techniques, tools, and workshops. Today we will unlock the power of collective creativity. Brainstorming is an open-ended, creative, problem-solving technique that encourages free-flowing ideas and discourages criticism. The main purpose of brainstorming is to generate a large volume of ideas to find a solution to a problem. Brainstorming is important because it encourages creativity and innovative thinking, facilitates team building and collaboration. It's a powerful tool for problem-solving and decision-making processes, and it can be used in various settings such as business, education, design, and much, much more. To use brainstorming effectively, you first need to identify the problem or question, then gather a diverse group of people, encourage open and free-flowing ideas, and record all ideas without criticism. After the session, review and refine the ideas. When leading a brainstorming workshop, it's important to set clear objectives, encourage participation from all members, foster a safe and open environment, manage time effectively, and facilitate the process of idea generation, categorization, and selection. For a virtual brainstorming workshop, you'll need virtual whiteboard tools like Miro or Mural, and video conferencing software like Zoom or Teams. The process is similar to in-person, but all activities are done virtually. Participants can add their ideas to the virtual whiteboard, group them, and vote for the best ones. Let's look at an example. Suppose the objective is to come up with new product ideas. We gather a cross-functional, highly diverse team of 10 members. The workshop would last for 1 hour. We would define the problem for about 15 minutes, generate ideas for 20 minutes, group and categorize ideas for 10 minutes, and then discuss and vote for the best ideas in the remaining 15 minutes. Of course, you can elongate it to more than 1 hour if you so desire. For a successful workshop, ensure everyone understands the objective, encourage everyone to participate, promote a judgment-free environment, and keep the energy levels high. And don't forget to follow up on the ideas generated. Here are some references for further reading. We will also make these available separately in a PDF file. Thank you.